Hello everyone, welcome to Shakti Enterprises. So today I have something very special. It's called bearing. It is used from a simple ceiling fan to aeroplane. Everything which is moving bearing is used in that. And this is the bearing for AC compressors. So in all the AC compressors, different type of bearings are used. So I have most of the bearings which are generally used in the AC compressors. So, friends, bearing was invented by Paul Vaughan, which was a British inventor, and today we have these bearings. So, these bearings are for different cars, and you can simply read it the number of the bearing. So, this is how you identify which bearing you need. All right, if you're looking for a replacement. So, for example, this one is 30BD5220. So, this is the number for this bearing. Okay, so I have different type of bearings in front of me and they are used in the different cars. So if you look at this is the one for 507, which is a universal compressor. So if there is a problem in that, so you need to use that. This is for Centro, and so I'm just looking for the number for this bearing. So it's same 30BD5220. All right, and this bearing is used in 508 compressor. This one is for one of the very own Tiago. So this is another bearing and it is same 30BD5220, and this bearing is for Civic, one of the Honda's car. All right, so I'm showing you all the bearings, so I'll just unpack it. So this is from the inside. So if you take a look at this bearing, it's a little different type of bearing which is used in AC compressors. So there is a number also written on this. It's not quite readable because it's very small, so it's not readable from the camera, but yes, you can easily read it if it is in front of you. So this is what you need to check the number if you are trying to replace the bearing, and after checking the number, according to the number you can order it. So friends, if you would like to order any of the bearing or any other AC related part, you can simply contact us. We are Shakti Enterprises. We have two branches, one is in Delhi and one is in Dehradun. We have recently opened a branch in Dehradun. All right, so I'll share the address for both the branches in the description, and also you can see a WhatsApp link in the description. From there you can send a WhatsApp message as well. All right, and I'll also share the phone numbers where you can contact us to place your orders. We'll be happy to help you. If you have any inquiry as well, you can still contact us. We'll definitely help you with that. So basically, at Shakti Enterprises, we believe in customer satisfaction, and we want to provide the AC related or any radiator related parts at the very best price. So thank you so much, friends. Have a good day. Bye.